In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Monday Sales CRM. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's start by setting up your CRM workspace. First, you'll want to access the Template Center. From your Monday.com homepage, look for the option that allows you to create a new board and select Start with a Template. This will take you to a variety of pre-made options specially designed to make your tasks easier. Next, let's find the Sales CRM template. In the Template Center search bar, type Sales CRM and hit Enter. You will see the matching template appear on your screen. Click on it to preview its boards. You should see sections for deals, contacts, and dashboards that will be essential for your sales management. Once you're ready, click on Use Template. This action prompts Monday to automatically build out the entire CRM structure within your workspace. You will now have specialized boards and views to work from, which gets you ready to manage your sales effectively. Now that your CRM workspace is set up, let's move on to managing your pipeline. Start with the main table view. This is where your core pipeline resides, displayed in a spreadsheet-style layout. Here, you can manage various critical aspects, such as statuses, owners, deal values, and close dates for each opportunity. You'll notice two primary views available, the Listings view and the Sold view. The Listings view allows you to keep track of all active opportunities. Conversely, the Sold view is where you can monitor successfully closed deals. Switching between these two views can greatly help you stay organized and focused on what needs your attention. Next, we'll track leads and contacts. For this, navigate to the Contacts board. Under this board, you will want to check the Potential Leads view, which is meant for tracking new opportunities you are nurturing with potential clients. Additionally, this board can also retain records for partners, vendors, or existing clients. Maintaining a complete database in one place is crucial for effective relationship management and outreach. As you get more accustomed to the workspace, you'll find it essential to visualize and analyze your data. To do this, open the Agency Dashboard. This dashboard offers you a high-level overview of metrics and key performance indicators, or KPIs. Additionally, you can access the Properties Overview feature to see how data aggregates from all your boards, providing insights that can enhance decision-making. Lastly, you can utilize specialized views for better project management. The Timeline view is particularly useful for visualizing deal deadlines and task schedules, helping you ensure that everything remains on track. On the other hand, if you're tracking the physical locations of deals or properties, the Map view enables this by visually displaying these locations directly on a map. With these steps, you're well equipped to effectively use Monday Sales CRM to manage your sales pipeline, track contacts, and analyze your data efficiently, helping you make informed decisions and drive your business forward. Thank you for watching, and remember to subscribe for more helpful content.